Sonic Valley Transparency. I want to give a well-deserved shout out and long overdue as well to Pink Camera Magic. Before I even picked up a camera and started recording, I was watching her videos. She used to have a channel called It's That Magic You Crave. Her videos were always good. So she knows what she's doing. She knows how to deal with the police out there. She's OG. She's been doing this for a long time, longer than I have. So I really want to give her the well-deserved shout out that she deserves. Pink Camera Magic, now I'm speaking to you. Thank you for educating me in your previous videos, and you continue to make videos. Thank you for all the hard work you've done and you continue to do. I apologize that it took me this long to finally give you a shout out that you truly deserve. Pink Camera Magic, thank you so much. I truly appreciate your hard work. Now, everybody else, I'm talking to you. Go subscribe to her channel. I'll put a link to her channel and a video so you guys can let her know who sent you. Thank you.
Police. The airport police squad. Good, how are you doing?
Any reason why you're videotaping us?
Yeah,
Why is that?
because I want to.
I understand that, but any particular reason?
Nope.
I'm in a spotlight. You see all seems very suspicious of somebody videotaping our police cars?
No.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Did you arrive today at the airport?
Pardon me?
Did you arrive today? Did you fly in?
I don't answer questions.
You have to ask questions. Is that what you said?
I said I don't answer questions.
You don't answer
Especially if they're investigatory like yours. That's a word.
It's 6,
So have a good day. Bye.
so you just videotaping us because you feel like it, huh?
I'll answer questions.
Well, I just talked to my sergeant that
Cool. Gonna talk to your sergeant.
you
I don't talk to anybody. I don't talk to strangers.
How you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Good. What are you waiting for?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, well, you need to answer a couple questions. We're just trying to figure out what you're doing over here.
Oh, that's all right. I don't need to answer your questions though.
Okay. Well, you have to have a valid purpose to be at the airport.
I don't have to answer your questions.
What is your purpose for being at the airport?
I don't answer questions.
You have a driver's license on you?
I don't answer questions.
This is the same one from up by the
Oliveria. And what's your name, sir?
Officer Boyer.
Officer Boyer? Sergeant Boyer?